Hi, this is my partner in the Philippines. Good
Morning.
afternoon. This is isa to nga mo.
Blondie hair.
This is my blender.
Yeah, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. It's Sunday late afternoon. Terence went to town. It's because we got some little problems of the jeep. So now, what we're gonna do if you're following our videos, there's a banana here, right? So Terence and I decided to evacuate the banana going to that area there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
This is my dot. Marmar.
since the kids are free today, so we're planting.
The planting. What sa inyong
Tree
gita?
planting.
Sa inyong gita nung diyan dako makaayog nagkulot. Kalaguto man ang ilaw.
That's favorite marmar. Gara bab. Gara go adat. Go adat. Ayaw.
Mabuto na lang ka.
Ayaw dat kay mahilantan naman na siyang mahadlok dat.
Ayaw that. Yeah, it's a frog. I'm scared though. So this is some of the roots of banana. Yeah, but instead of killing it, the banana is over there. So now we're labi ba? Yeah, so since this soil is a little bit nicer, so we put it in the pot. And we got an old pot here.
Yes.
Pot. Yun naman. So, di man, ano yung-
This is the dog of Pogi. The name is Pogi.
Pogi. You're a good boy, right?
Tabang pugi.
Bitaw pugi. Pag ginot ang ginam pugi.
Yeah, and then we transferred also the sibuyas. Ang sining sibuyas that?
Onion.
Onions. Yeah, onions live. Onion lives here because this basin is already broken. So instead of throwing it, we just recycle it. Yeah, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this area
Alam ni
here,
has. Gini has.
Has na.
and there's a snakes. No, it's not.
Yan tingaling kuan.
Hasmar. Hasmar.
Kanang kuan uy lara ba na singa na nang
Yeah, it's a
Ha?
small snake. Come on, nanay. Come here, nanay.
Has to?
Yeah, it's
kana
a
unsa
small.
butingan ana uy.
Bitaw.
Dabutungan tong hasa.
Hilog. Dahilog.
Dahilog ni. Ako kayo gawa ni.
Dahilog bitaw na.
Asa nito?
It's a small snake.
Try.
Yeah.
Patyamar.
Wa pa ko kita sa sa arang banakon.
Mabuhi para ba ni? Asa ni?
Patyamar ang uo.
Darag.
Maniwang malampuntaan ni.
Pasensya na. Papatay ni.
Saan na mo butang dito sa tubangan, ha?
Orchid uy. Kanang katungan lina pang ibtang yang giugsok nga orchid. Dili ibutang.
Tarong ang gunit ang. Yeah, I said to Nanay, what we gonna put up here? And Nanay's suggestion is very, 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 very ideal. And Nanay said, get the orchids of Mananglina and put up here.